Hey guys, it's April. I'm filming with Makartt today using the August Your Nail Lab box. Stay tuned to see what looks I create. In my box, I got the Sugar and Fig and Bite Me, which is super cute together, so I'm definitely gonna use those. Also came with this gorgeous rose gold nail liner, nice and thick and pigmented. They also included the nail dehydrator and primer, which are essentials with every set you create. They also included this pack of glitters and rhinestones that I'll definitely be incorporating into my look. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have fun recreating these looks. Be sure to follow me on Instagram _nailsbyavril. To get these monthly boxes with all these nail goodies, make sure to go to yournaillab.com.